Today I'm going to show you how to do a back scoot round for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a back scoot round, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your pop front swipe hook. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. When you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance with your cheat knee on the ground, sort of like in a lunge. From here, you're going to reach behind you, bring your cheat leg up and jump off your other foot, spot your target and throw your round kick. Then finish the move, landing in a backside stance. So obviously if you're doing this move, you want to make sure that you have a back scoot already, and a cheat zero round helps as well. Now, of course, there are a few different ways you can do this. You can spin 180 degrees into the move, you can add a follow through, or you can do a spin and a follow through to get the most momentum for this trick. Some things to keep in mind, when you're throwing the kick, you want to make sure that you're throwing your kick as you're landing or before you land. And also make sure that you're keeping your shoulder pressed up by your ear when your hand's on the ground and your body's going over you or around you. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also want to say thank you to all the patrons supporting this channel. And if you would like to support this channel, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Here at Upraiz, we're all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be learning a back swipe hook, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.